Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a productive morning routine video. I'm going to take you guys along with me on my morning and show you what I get done as a busy mom of 4 boys. On this morning, I am getting ready for the day. I've got some kitchen cleaning to tackle. I've got some clothes that I just got, so I want to do a try on for you guys. And I also want to do some meal planning. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Amanda and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Home, where I love to share videos of all things house and home, productivity and motivation to just get you guys going to have the best homes and lives that you guys can. Alright, we're starting nice and early in my bedroom. I've just got my little desk area set up over here by the window. I'm going to do some planning this morning, but I also have a load of laundry that I needed to fold, so I just went ahead and set that aside. I just did a quick fold and got that put away. I'm still in my jammies, so I'm going to have to get ready for the day. I have to go to the gym this morning, so I really want to get my hair straightened because my hair is really wild when I shower the night before. As you can see, it's dry, but it's like not tamed whatsoever. So we're going to do a little bit of planning so I know what I'm doing this week. And then I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the day. Of course, I've got my cup of coffee while I'm sitting at my desk. One of the things that I wanted to go over is what videos I'm doing this week. I try to do 2 videos a week, but honestly, it is so crazy. I've only been able to get out like 1 a week lately. My goal was always 3 a week, but once the boys got way busier with sports and just their lifestyles, it is so hard. I'm all over the place. I'm driving like crazy every day, taking them to their activities. So even though sometimes I plan for more than that, most of the time I can only get out 1 a week. So I'm just doing my planning here. I also have to do my meal planning later in the video, but I also was editing a video for you guys. So that's kind of what I do in the mornings before I get up and get going. I usually try to get up around 5:30. Jeff runs hockey schools at around 6 a.m. So lots of times I'll just try to get up with him so I can get my work started. And then once he gets home is basically when I start doing other things away from the desk. So I am just going to pull out my hair straightener. My hair is really long and thick right now. So yeah, like I said, I have to tame it. I'm going to plug this in and get this warmed up. A couple of you guys have mentioned that you wanted tutorials on how I do my hair, specifically how I get my hair in a bun and also the claw clip. So I will do that in one of my upcoming videos. Like I said, my hair is super thick, so only metal claw clips hold my hair. That's why you always see me wearing those shiny metal ones. So yeah, I will make sure I film that for you guys and put that in one of my videos. Because I know that I'm going to the gym shortly, usually I try to go at 10 a.m. We do like a HIIT workout. It's a group class. It's awesome. It's 45 minutes and they basically tell you exactly what you need to do. Otherwise, I would be lost. So I'm just putting on my gym shorts and my gym tank, and then I throw on a sweater, and then I'll throw on a pair of jogging pants on top of this before I leave. These socks are my favorite, Costco socks. I think I mentioned them a couple of times in the past couple of videos, but I love those because they fit awesome in your sneakers. I've been straightening my hair a lot lately. I used to always just wear my hair up in a bun, but then I noticed a lot of breakage started happening around the area where the elastic would go, so I started to just keep my hair down. I try to only straighten my hair once a week, or if I'm not straightening, maybe I use a curling iron. But I love how long my hair is right now, so I just wanted to straighten it just because it feels so nice and long. I did cut it short a couple of years ago just to get all the dead ends off, and the growth is like really crazy. I can't believe how fast it's grown. So anyway, I've just been in the mood to straighten lately, so that's what I did with my hair today. I just threw on some really light makeup because I'm heading to the gym, and then that's basically it for getting ready. I'm jumping forward to after the gym. I don't really like to bring a camera in there because I know some people are uncomfortable about it, so I just didn't want to chance it and try to take a clip for you guys because it is a class with other people. So anyways, we are a couple of hours later. I needed to tackle some cleaning in the kitchen. My kitchen luckily is pretty clean. I just had a couple of dishes to wash. I had to switch over the dishwasher and put away a few dishes that I had drip drying. So nice and easy. I just wanted to make sure I took care of this before I head upstairs to do some other work. The kitchen island was a little bit sticky from breakfast, so I just wanted to go ahead and spray it down and give it a good cleaning. I also had some dishes I had to put away that were sitting on the island. And that's about it for what I had to clean up in the kitchen this morning. I also just wanted to make sure I got the floors nice and clean, so I'm going to run my vacuum mop over the floors really quick. Today I get to try out the Dreame Tech H12 Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum. You guys know these types of vacuums are a hot product these days because it cuts down your work. Instead of doing a vacuum and a mop, you're doing it at the same time. So I just finished cleaning up the counter, putting the dishes away in the kitchen. I just thought I would run the vacuum through the kitchen really quickly, clean up any of the spots and messes, and see how this thing actually works. Once I added the solution to the water tank, I just went ahead and popped it in, turned it on, it was ready to go. This vacuum has edge-to-edge cleaning, so it gets right in the corners, right to the edge of the cabinets. It's got that really nice big LED screen, so you can keep an eye on how much battery charge you have left. And it's got 3 different cleaning modes. It can freely switch between operation modes to clean the way you want it to clean. You can customize your cleaning needs. You can do auto mode for basic cleaning, ultra mode for deep cleaning, and a suction mode that vacuums liquids without actually mopping. It also automatically adjusts the suction based on what you're cleaning. And of course, this wouldn't be a vacuum review if I didn't go ahead and try it over some spilt milk with cereal. I just went over it. It sucked it up, no problem. So you can pick up liquids and solids all at the same time. The dirty tank is now full. You can see how disgusting the water is in here. It looks so dirty. It is mixed in with the cereal. So we're just going to go ahead and dump this out and give it a quick rinse. I ran it through the self-cleaning mode to make sure that the vacuum was nice and clean, and it automatically dries while charging. The brush is thoroughly dried with hot air after the self-cleaning in just 1 hour. So that prevents mildew, mold, and that stinky odor that some of those other vacuums have had. I've had that happen in the past where you just get that smell in there and you can't get it out. So this was awesome. The fact that it self-dries like this with hot air, and you can take that lid off. That way there's no disgusting buildup of odors and moisture. And I'm just giving the tank a nice little scrub out just to make sure that that stays smelling fresh also. And then that's it. I can set it aside and it's ready to go for next time. So if you guys want to check out the Dreame Tech H12 Pro, I'm going to leave it linked down below in the description box for you guys. You guys, my new Shein order arrived and I love every item that came. So I'm going to try it all on for you guys and just show you what I got. You know how sometimes when you order stuff online, you're not quite sure how it's going to fit. Sometimes it's just like nice in the photo and then when you put it on, it's not so nice. I like all my stuff, so I'm gonna try it on and show you what I got. You guys, how cute is this two-piece lounge set? It is so adorable. It's got the bodysuit and the wide leg pants, super soft fabric, pockets, and yeah, it makes me feel like put together. So even if I'm hanging around the house, doing cleaning, whatever, even if I just like run to the grocery store, I still feel like I'm somewhat cute. Love this. I think I want to try to get a couple of different colors, but you can like pull them up to make them a little bit more high-waisted, but I kind of have a higher, longer torso, so sometimes I have to, you know, adjust the pants and stuff like that, but it looks super cute. And this long coat, it's like right down to the floor. This is perfect for me to wear to the rink. I can go all super comfy in my loungewear and then put this nice long coat over top. Like, how cute is this outfit? I can go to the rink, be super warm and cozy. Like, look at it. Okay guys, this next one I'm so excited about. When I saw it online, I was like, that looks super cute on her, but I wasn't sure if I could see myself wearing it. But I decided to go for it and I put it on and I'm like obsessed. I cannot wait till like next Christmas and like all winter next year because I'm gonna be wearing this everywhere. Like, look at how beautiful this is. It adds just like a little bit of luxury to your outfit. Oh my gosh, it is so soft and it's so cozy and warm. I'm so obsessed. Like, I cannot wait. Like, it's springtime now, so I'm not gonna really get any use out of it for the rest of this year, but oh my gosh. Like, how cute is this? And it is so soft. Love this, so cute. I'm so proud of myself for like trying something new that I probably never would have tried, but like it came in and I love it. It's got pockets right here. You can wear it open with a scarf. Nice pretty necklace. Love this one. And this one, you guys, I cannot tell you how amazing the quality is. I was seriously shocked. The outside is like this super soft material. It's like a great quality sweatshirt, but the inside, you guys are gonna be so surprised. The inside is like a fleecy. It's so thick and warm. And I love how it's got the balloon sleeves, and in the back, the seam comes down the middle. It's like a really like high quality sweatshirt, and the price was so much better than if I would buy this on one of the name brand like yoga sites. So yeah, love this. And the color. Love how it has the seam here. Anyway, just like lots of nice details. So I was really surprised. Like, it's even nicer than it looked on the website. I just might have to wear this for the rest of the day. And Shein has these items categorized in their Shein shops, so you can shop based on your particular shop that you want to check out. So I will have the shops linked down below in the description box, and all of these products linked down there for you guys too. I also have a coupon code, so you guys can check that out down below. Now at the end of the morning, I just wanted to go ahead and do my meal plan for the rest of the week, just so we know what we're going to be eating. It's crazy feeding all of these boys. I picked up this menu planning pad from Walmart. I think it was like $3, and it's just really helpful because you can write out everything you're going to be eating, and then there's a little grocery list here on the side that you can tear off and take with you. Lots of times I will refer to Pinterest for some recipe ideas, but this one particular recipe I came across on, I think it was on Instagram, and then I seen it on TikTok and Facebook. Anyways, it's that viral recipe. It has ground beef, cottage cheese, sweet potatoes, and I think hot honey. But anyways, it is like a really delicious recipe. The ground beef, I added taco seasoning to it. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Oh yes, and avocado. So anyways, it just looks really weird, and everybody says that it looks really weird, but it is super yummy. So I tried it and it was super good. So we're going to have it again. The boys actually enjoyed it and ate it, so it's going to be on rotation in our house. So here's one of the posts that I came across, and I just like screenshotted it, and then that way I remember, ideas to make for dinner. And then as for groceries, I've been doing my grocery orders online on Walmart lately. It's been saving me so much time. I just make my grocery list, put everything into my cart right here online, and then I just schedule a delivery for either later that day or the next day. And the nice thing is that I just pay I think it's a monthly fee, I think about $8, and I get free delivery. So it's been working out really good. I needed to get some more sesame oil, so it's nice because you can just you can look and compare prices and just see which one is the best value. So that's basically what I did with the sesame oil that I needed here. So I have all of my meals for the week planned out. I added to my cart what I was missing. I scheduled a delivery for the next morning, and then I was ready to go for the rest of the week. So I'm really going to try to make sure that I do that every week. See, I pay $0 for delivery because I just pay a monthly membership fee kind of thing. So anyways, that was basically my productive morning, you guys. Hopefully you guys got some ideas and some motivation. That is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!